Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to activate Scotiabank credit card. It's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just open up your internet browser and go to google.com. And here just search for Scotiabank account, Scotiabank. Just search for Scotiabank. Alternatively, you can also install the Scotiabank application on your iPhone or Android device. It's actually pretty simple, but I'm gonna do it on the website. So if you're on a computer or laptop device, you can also follow along with this tutorial. It's going to be similar. So just go to the Scotiabank website, and here just click on enter Scotiabank. And now just click on three dots in the top right corner, and here you have to go to credit cards. And here once you have logged in or signed up for a Scotiabank account, you can just click on services and click on activate your credit card, and it will prompt you with simple steps that you will have to follow to activate your Scotiabank credit card. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.